Big cow, chomp, chomp, chomp. Big cow, moo, moo, moo.
Cows are mammals, and they make the milk that you see in stores. They only eat plants such as grass. Cows live on farms and places that have a lot of grass. Cows are good swimmers. Did you know cows can walk upstairs but not downstairs?
Big lion, run, run, run. Big lion, roar, roar, roar.
Lions live with other lions. The name for a baby lion is a cub. Lions run really fast. Lions eat meat. Lions like to sleep a lot. Lions are so cool.
Big dog, scratch, scratch, scratch. Big dog, woof, woof, woof.
Dogs are our best friends. There are different types of dogs, and they come in different sizes and colors. Dogs can smell things that we can't. Dogs also hear things that we can't hear. It's amazing. Dogs are so smart. They can count and understand words.
Little cat, climb, climb, climb. Little cat, meow, meow, meow.
Cats are so cute. Cats sleep a lot. They sleep for most of the day. Cats like to be very clean. They are always cleaning themselves with their tongues. Did you know cats only meow to humans? Wow!
Little frog, jump, jump, jump. Little frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Frogs live on every continent except Antarctica. Frogs don't drink water. They get water through their skin. Not all frogs can jump. Frogs with shorter legs only hop, crawl, or walk.
Little bee, fly, fly, fly. Little bee, buzz, buzz, buzz.
The buzzing sound of bees come from their wings hitting together. Bees have smelly feet to tell each other apart. Bees eat honey from honeycombs, nectar and pollen from flowers. Bees have 5 eyes. Whoa! Bees talk to one another by dancing. How fun!